Hello and welcome to the DeJuTTT's kitchen. This is Jumoke here again. As usual, I'll be your host for today. Today I'll be showing you one of my favorite snacks. I'm a meat lover, so I'll be showing you my barbecue sticky lamb ribs, not pork ribs. So lamb ribs. I love this because it's tasty and it's easy to make, and it's something you can make by yourself, for yourself. You can make it for your family. You can get your young teenager to make it. So my son makes this if I'm not in the mood to be in the kitchen. So let's get started. Before I forget, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. So like I said, today I'll be making some lamb ribs just for snacking. And I've got my lamb ribs. I'll be using mostly dry items today, just dry items. So I've got my Suya spice, ground ginger, cumin, mixed herb, and this herb has oregano, basil, I don't know if you can see, oregano, basil, thyme, marjoram, parsley, sage and basil. I've got my onion salt. This one has garlic and white pepper in it and just a little bit of salt. So I will proceed to adding all the items in. Then my cumin. Then the mixed herbs, the onion salt. You can do it this way, or you can just do first into a separate bowl and then a bit of salt. And now I'll add my ground ginger. Oopsies. Like a teaspoonful. I'll also spray this. I forgot to show you that earlier on. And then you work all these ingredients into your meat. It has enough fat on its own to cook by itself, but just in case, let's give it a bit more. But yeah, so I will do this. So once that's done, I'll then cover it up with cling film and let it sit for like an hour so that the spices can penetrate the food. You'll notice I didn't use any MSG. I recently did a training with a friend who's also a chef, and basically she introduced me. I use spice quite a lot normally, but in my head I'm always thinking you still have to put MSG like Knorr cube or Maggi cube. But she made me realize, that training made me realize that you don't necessarily need to put those things once you have the right spices. So I've just been practicing that and it works. I still do use MSG, don't get me wrong, but not as much as I used to. So then you cover this up. And you leave it to sit for a while. You can put it in the fridge or you can leave it on your worktop to sit. Now we'll make the sauce. There's this spring roll sauce. It's a sweet chili sauce, so I'm gonna use some of that. A sweet chili sauce. About a tablespoon. Then I'll use a tablespoon full of BBq sauce. Yep. Then I'll use a few drops of this, a liquid seasoning. Then I'll use some cayenne pepper. Then I'll use a tablespoon of olive oil. And I stir that together. And that's the sauce ready. Yeah? Let's go back to the meat now. So now our meat should be ready. Oopsies. Yeah. And it is looking good. That's mostly fat, but I'll show you. Let's try some meaty fat. So that's ready. Oh, can you see that? Nice and juicy on the inside. So I'm just going to transfer it into a separate bowl. Just gonna drizzle that over it. And just give it a nice mix. And there you have it. Sticky lamb ribs. Let me just dress it up a bit and put it on a separate plate for pictures. So that was really fun for me to make, and I hope you had fun watching it. I don't know if you can see that. Till next time, don't forget to like and click. Bye bye.